Your legs are getting weaker. Right now, today, every day you don't do anything about it, the decline continues. But here's the scary part. Most people don't notice until it's almost too late. It starts small. A stumble on the stairs, a wobble getting out of the car, needing to push with your hands just to get up from a chair. What if I told you something most doctors never explain? There are only two main exercises, just two, that can stop this decline and reverse it. You can do them at home. No gym, no equipment, just you, a chair, and 10 minutes. And the science behind them is powerful. But before we get into them, stay with me, because if you miss just one small detail, the exercises will not work the way they should. And in a moment, I'll show you the 3-minute warm-up that activates your leg muscles so they get stronger faster. Don't miss that part. Before we begin, if you're over 60, if you want to stay mobile, strong, and independent, please hit the subscribe button now. This channel is made only for seniors who want to avoid pain and move with confidence. And to help me know if this video helps you, type the number 7 in the comments. If something is missing or unclear, type 0 so I can improve future videos. Here's something most people over 60 never hear. After 60, your body loses about 1% of muscle every year, unless you actively use the muscles. After 70, the loss becomes faster. After 80, the loss can double. But why does this happen? First, less muscle activation. Most seniors sit more, less walking, less climbing stairs. Muscles that rest too much shrink. Second, poor circulation. Blood flow slows down in the legs. Muscles receive less oxygen. Less oxygen means faster weakness. Third, the motor nerves slow down. Your brain still works, your muscles still work, but the nerves connecting them fire slower. This is why reaction time drops. This is why balance becomes unpredictable. This is why falls increase. But here's the good news. Your body can still rebuild strength at any age, even at 90. Studies show seniors can gain muscle just as fast as younger adults if they do the right type of training. And the exercises you're about to learn are the exact ones proven in those studies. But before we get into them, we need to fix a hidden problem most seniors don't even know they have. There are daily habits that quietly weaken your legs without you realizing it. The first habit is sitting with your legs crossed. This reduces blood flow by up to 40%. Your calves and thighs get less oxygen. The second habit is standing up using your arms. When you push off a chair with your hands, your leg muscles switch off. Do this daily and your legs weaken faster. The third habit is taking short steps while walking. Small steps reduce muscle activation in your glutes and thighs. Take slightly longer steps and you activate more strength instantly. In a moment, you'll learn how to fix all of this with one simple warm-up routine that takes only 3 minutes. But first, let's talk about the second heart in your body. Most people have never heard of this, and it changes everything. Yes, you have a second heart. It's not an organ, it's your calf muscles. When your calves contract, they pump blood upward against gravity. If they're weak, blood pools in your legs. This leads to swelling, tired legs, heavy feet, slow walking, poor balance, and in serious cases, blood clots. But strong calves reverse all of this. That's why the first exercise in this video is the calf raise. Don't underestimate it. It may look simple, but it can change how your entire lower body functions. And if you stay with me, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely and correctly. Before any leg exercise, warm up with these 3 simple moves. Lift one foot slightly and rotate your ankle in slow circles for 30 seconds. Do the same on the other leg. This wakes up the calf pump. March in place for 1 minute. Lift your knees one at a time. Not high, just comfortable. This activates your hips and core. Then rock forward onto the balls of your feet and back onto your heels for 1 minute. This prepares your balance muscles. Now your body is ready. Now your exercises will work twice as well. Let's move into the first main exercise. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold it lightly for balance. Lift your heels slowly for 2 seconds. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Lower slowly for 3 seconds. Do not rush. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. In a moment, I'll show you a powerful variation that strengthens your balance 3 times faster. Don't miss it. Now let's move to the second exercise, the chair squat. Stand in front of a chair. Push your hips back. Lower your body slowly until you lightly touch the chair. Do not sit fully. Pause for 1 second. Then stand back up while exhaling. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. In the next part, I'll show you how to avoid the #1 mistake that causes knee pain during this exercise. Let's fix the 2 painful mistakes that many seniors make. First, letting the knees go too far forward. Keep your hips back, not your knees forward. Second, bending your spine. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Once you fix these, chair squats become comfortable, safe, and extremely effective. Now let's train your balance. Do this short routine daily. Hold a chair and lift 1 foot, standing tall for 20 seconds. Switch legs. Walk in a straight line, heel to toe, for 30 seconds. Then take slow side steps for 20 seconds to activate your hip muscles. This simple routine reduces fall risk by more than 40%. To help your legs grow stronger faster, include the right foods. Eggs for high-quality protein. Salmon or sardines for omega-3s that reduce inflammation. Beans and lentils for affordable, powerful protein. Spinach and kale to increase circulation. Bananas to help prevent muscle cramps. Eat these often for better results. Here's your weekly action plan. 3 times per week. Calf raises, 3 sets. Chair squats, 3 sets. Balance routine, 1 minute. And always begin with the warm-up. Total time per week, 20 minutes. This small routine protects your independence for years. Your legs are your foundation. They carry you through life, through every room in your home, every step you take, every moment with your family. But they will not stay strong on their own. You must move. You must train. You must take control. And now you know exactly how. If this video helped you, type 7 in the comments. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, stay mobile, and I'll see you in the next video.